Welcome to a quick demonstration of the new features in the February 2009 release of ClickEquations. We begin with the new client dashboard. The dashboard lets us see quickly what's going on in our Google, Yahoo, and Microsoft accounts, as well as recent performance information. Additionally, we can see bid suggestions from the bid rules we've applied, as well as current ClickEquations news. When I want to make edits within my account, I just click on the name of the engine I want to edit, and I'm able to open up a Google AdWords-like editor. Here I can select any campaign and simply open the editing palette at the bottom, which shows me the current attributes of that campaign. If I want to dive in a little deeper, I can see the attributes of the ad group. I could pause or resume the ad group very quickly, make status changes, save them. Or I can go one step further and look at the current keywords in that ad group and view or modify the status of those attributes. If I click the Add button, I can add a brand new keyword and apply match type, bid rule, max CPC, and more. I can also view and edit the current text ads as well as image ads. I can move between campaigns, ad groups very quickly using the hierarchical controller, or I can hide that if I'd like more space on my screen and actually navigate directly using the breadcrumb bar. Any changes I make and save will be pushed directly to the engine in real time. Now let's look at the bid automation capabilities. You're able to configure any number of rules using the predefined algorithms, and for each rule set a number of options that control how that algorithm will execute. In this case, we're looking at a maximize ROI algorithm, which will automatically find the bid that will produce the most net profit for the selected keyword or ad group. And the only option we need to select in this is the retest frequency, which is how often we retest our bid based on historical data. We're also able to define for each bid rule whether it automatically submits the bids it calculates or it leaves them as suggestions and then presents them to you to either accept, modify, or reject. We can also create bid rules that seek to bid to position. In this case, we're looking to achieve a desired position of 2 or higher, but we do not want our maximum CPC to exceed $5. The third option that's been configured in this case is a bid rule that tries to achieve a return on ad spend of 300%. In this case, again, we've requested that when the rule runs, it suggests a bid and presents it to us for review. Bid rules can be applied at an ad group level. So in this case, we'll select a maximum ROI bid rule and apply it to this ad group, or at the keyword level. So if we dive in, we can see that the ad group bid rule is applied to every keyword in this ad group at the moment, but we can override that for a specific keyword that we have a different intent. The dim bid rules are applied at the ad group level, and the dark ones, which will show up here in a second, are those applied at the keyword level. In the Bid Manager screen, we're able to review all pending bid suggestions. So the bid rules run every evening, and in the morning you're presented with a list of suggested bid changes based on the rules you've applied. These bids can be accepted as is, you can override them to bid a different amount, or reject them. Any selected bids can be submitted to the engine in real time. Additionally, the history page shows you all of the bids that have been calculated and automatically submitted, as well as the history of bids that you have manually accepted or modified before you have submitted them. That concludes our quick tour of 3 of the new features in the February 2009 ClickEquations release: the client dashboard, full campaign editing, and bid automation.